Today, we're going to recap some of the videos launched in the month of July. All of these videos will be linked in the description below, so if you haven't seen one, check those out. First, we'd like to remind you that we launched our concrete and asphalt repair kits. We launched a video showing you how we transformed this concrete sidewalk to look like a fresh slab of concrete. We also launched a concrete repair video on an entry patio. We showed you how to repair chips and cracks and explained every step of the way. If you have any questions about our concrete repair kits, email us at customerservice@leggari.com or check out the brochure linked in the description below. Now on to asphalt repair kits. Leggari Asphalt Repair adds an entirely new surface to your asphalt with substantial durability, adding years of life to your asphalt. If you want to see the transformation from beginning to end, check out this video. We show you the step-by-step process of this transformation. A Leggari certified installer filmed the whole process and how he took these custom wood countertops and gave them a beautiful marble designer look using Leggari's countertop kits. You can watch it all from beginning to end. Landon used epoxy for the first time. With the help of Tyler, he made a beautiful art piece that you can do too using single items from our store. We show you exactly what we used and how we used it to get this look. If you want to learn how Leggari preps concrete floors before an epoxy installation, you need to watch this video. We show you exactly what we do and walk you through the whole process. After watching this, you'll be ready for your epoxy application. We also launched a video showing you how we took a normal painted wall and gave it a stunning concrete look using our concrete overlay kits. You can see the entire process from beginning to end. DIY Epoxy American Flag. Our flag stencils are available at www.leggari.com, and in this video, we show you exactly how to do this project. We show you how you can take a hollow core door and make it into a masterpiece. Every step of the way from start to finish is shown in this video, so if you want an epoxy American flag hanging in your garage or house or wherever, go check that out. There's so many awesome projects coming up. We launch videos every week showing you how Leggari can transform your space. All of our projects are DIY friendly. If you're not already part of Leggari Nation, hit that red button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching everyone, and stay tuned because there's more projects coming.